Step 1. Install Container Manager Package. If you already have Container Management Packaged installed, skip this step. Step 2. Go to Control Panel, Login Portal, Advanced tab, click Reverse Proxy. Step 3. Now click the Create button. Step 4. Fill out the form with the following information. Reverse proxy name, MicroBin. Source. Protocol. HTTPS. Hostname, microbin.yourdomain.com. Port, 443. Enable HSDS, checked. Destination. Protocol, HTTP. Hostname, localhost. Port, 5101. Step 5. Select Custom Header tab, click Create, click WebSocket, click Save. Step 6. Go to File Station and create new folder inside your Docker folder and name it MicroBin. Step 7. Go to Container Manager, click Project, click Create. Step 8. Fill out the form with the following information. Project name, MicroBin. Path/docker/microbin. Source. Select Create Docker Compose.yml. See description notes for code snippet. Step 9. Click Next, click Next, click Done, click Close. Step 10. Open your web browser and go to https://microbin.yourdomain.com. Your paste link.